Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make raw vegan veggie balls. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. All links and ingredients needed for the recipe are of course in the description below. We start by putting in a blender carrot pulp. You can also use grated carrot. We also add soaked sunflower seeds. They should soak for at least 5-6 hours to get rid of the phytic acid. Next are soaked nuts. They should soak for at least 8 hours. Linseed, also soaked. We add some mushrooms. It's best to cut them into smaller pieces. Now spices. Some garlic. You can also use a garlic clove. Some sweet or hot pepper. Non-iodized salt. Some black pepper. Yeast flakes. We also add some dates, which should soak for at least 2-3 hours to get soft. At the end, we add some finely chopped onion. We blend everything together. When our mass is ready, we can form it into small balls. We take about a tablespoon of mass for that. Everything we will leave in a dehydrator up to 45 Celsius degrees for about 3 hours. And it's ready! Bon appetit!